Hi children.
Hi,
Good morning.
good morning, sir.
See children, in our last class we talked about this picture given in page number 39. See children, the people in the picture are very sad. Why do you think they are very sad? Why do you think they are very... Yes. The people in the village are going to some other village. They are going to another village. Why do you think they are going? Why do you think they are going to another village?
Water not there.
There is no water.
Food not there. Food.
No food.
No trees.
No trees.
No water.
No water.
No home.
Here they didn't have home too.
No.
Next. And they had no money. If we had money, we could do anything. But unless we have money, can we do anything, children? If we don't have money, can we do anything?
No.
No, we can't do. Here, the people, they had no money, no food, no water, no rain, even they didn't have their home too. They had nothing. So, the people in the picture are leaving their hometown, leaving their village and going to some other village to have a good life. Actually, I would like to let you know what had really happened behind this scene. Okay, children, are you all ready to listen to me?
Yes.
Yes. I tell you, once upon a time, there was a village. In the village, a man was called Gopanna. His name was Gopanna. See, Gopanna, he came home tired. Gopanna came home tired and sat in the veranda. He called, Sita, Sita, please bring me a glass of water. What did he say?
Bring
He
the.
called his wife Sita. Do you know who Sita is?
Yes, I
Sita is, do you know who Sita is? Sita is Gopanna's wife. Who is she?
Gopana wife.
Yes, his husband and she is wife. So, Gopanna, when Gopanna came home, he was very tired and he sat in the veranda and he was very thirsty. He wanted to drink some water. He asked his wife to bring a glass of water. What did he ask? A glass of water.
A glass of water.
A glass of water.
He asked his wife Sita to bring the glass of water. But you know, there was no Sita in the home. There was no Sita. Sita was not there in the home. Their daughter Lakshmi. Lakshmi was there in the home. Lakshmi was there in the home. Understood, children?
Yes.
Like there was their daughter Lakshmi in the home.
Yes.
She said, Nana, Amma is not there. Nana, Amma is not there. Amma has gone to Rajanna's mango garden to bring water. Where did she go? Rajanna's mango garden. Whose mango garden was that? Rajanna. So Lakshmi said, Nana, Amma is not here. She has gone to bring water from Rajanna's mango garden. See, she has gone to Rajanna's mango garden. Whose mango garden was that?
Rajanna mango.
Yes, mango garden. Have you ever seen a mango garden, children?
Yes.
Have you ever seen a mango garden? Yes. Lakshmi, you know who Lakshmi is? Lakshmi is their daughter.
Daughter. D-A-U-G-H-T-E.
Lakshmi is Gopanna's daughter. Sita is Gopanna's wife.
Wife.
But when Gopanna was very thirsty, he wanted to drink, he called his wife Sita. But was Sita there in the home? No, she was not there. Who was there in the home?
Lakshmi.
Did your mother go to Rajanna's bamboo garden? That is very far away from here, very far. You know what far? Very far. Far. See, that bike is very far from me, but this chair is very near. It is very near so that I can sit here. But the bike is very far. Near, far. Understood?
Yes.
Near means nothing but standing so close to something. Near. That is very far.
Four.
In Telugu we say Duram. Understood?
Yes.
Oh, did your mother go to Rajanna's bamboo garden? Such a far place, such a far away place. Wow. He was shocked and he was very upset. Lakshmi, she searched for water in the home, but there was no water. Gopana felt very upset and he sat on the veranda and he leaned to the wall and closed his eyes. After some time, Lakshmi shouted, "Look, Nana, Amma is coming." What did she say?
Nana, Amma is coming.
Amma is coming.
Is coming.
Look, Nana, Amma is coming. When Sita shouted like that, Gopana opened his eyes up and he saw Sita came with a half-filled pot water. See, this is a pot.
Yes, sir. Pot.
This is a pot. Sita brought only half-filled pot.
What?
Half pot water. And seeing that, when Gopana saw the half-filled pot water, he felt very upset. He was very upset. Oh, did you bring little water? You brought only little water. See. You brought only half-filled
Half-filled water.
half-filled pot.
Half-filled pot.
That pot was not fully, completely filled up. Only half-filled pot. You brought only this half-filled pot water. Which means you brought only little water. But Sita said, I really thank God because at least we got this much water today. Today we got at least this much water. There is a long queue. You know, long queue. Queue is what? You know what? Queue is line. Nothing but queue means hey, come in a queue. If someone tells you to come in a queue, queue stands for the word line. Sita said, hey, I really thank God because we got even this much water today. I am very happy for this. I don't have confidence. I don't assure that we could get even this much water tomorrow. Understood? Because there is a long queue.
Long queue.
Gopana was really upset. He was very upset. He wanted to do something. And he stood up, he jerked his towel, and started walking towards Ram Panchayat. Understood, children?
Yes, sir.
Gopana stood up and he jerked his towel
Panju.
and he started going towards Gram Panchayat.
PANCHAN.
Yes. Understood? Did you understand what I said, children? Is the narration clear? So here, now I am going to tell you about some questions regarding this narration. Are you all ready to give reply?
Yes.
Here, there was a person. What was his name?
Gopana.
What was his wife's name?
Sita.
Sita. Was Sita there at home when Gopana reached his home? What did he ask?
Sita is
Half
carrying the water.
Bring.
the water.
How much water did he ask?
Half
No, no. How much water did Gopana ask when he came home? Half.
half fill.
No. A glass of water. When Gopana asked for a glass of water, did Lakshmi find water in the home? No. Do you think Rajana's mango garden is very near? No, not. This is very far. On hearing that Sita has been to Rajana's mango garden, do you think Gopana felt happy? No. Why don't you think he is happy? Yes, that is very far.
Far.
Which place is very far?
The Rajana mango garden.
Mango garden. is
Garden.
From their home.
Yes.
Yes. Gopana was very upset. He felt very miserable and he leaned to the wall and he closed his eyes. But what did Lakshmi shout like that? Look, Nana, Amma is coming. When Lakshmi said so, Gopana opened his eyes and he saw how much water do you think Sita brought?
All half pot. All
Half filled what? Half filled pot.
half fill pot.
On seeing that half filled pot water, do you think Gopana felt happy? Why don't you think he is happy?
Fill half pot.
He was filled only half
Pot. Half pot.
Then what did Sita say?
Cute.
There was a long queue.
Cute.
What do you think queue means?
Line.
Line. Did Sita have a hope that she could get water much more than this half filled water tomorrow?
Yes.
No. She didn't have the confidence. She was very happy because she got even this much of water today. But tomorrow she may not be very confident that she could get this much water. Even this much water. Understood? Because there is a long queue. All the people in the village are very thirsty. They wanted to get some water. But as there was no rain, no food,
No water.
all people
No.
are feeling very sad for the reason the people in the picture are leaving their village and going to some other village. Understood? Because the village in the picture is not worth it to be in it. That is not worthful to live in the village. So they wanted to go to another village to have a good life. Understood, children?
Yes.
Okay, in our next class, I let you know reading section, okay? Reading part. Until then, just keep practicing all these words on the blackboard. Okay, children? Yes. Now, I just read all these words. Just you read after me.
Yes.
Together we live.
Together we live. Gopana.
Sita.
Sita. White.
Glass of water.
A glass of water.
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi. Rajanna.
Mango garden.
Mango garden.
Daughter.
For
Amma is coming.
Amma is coming.
Half filled pot.
Half fill pot. You.
Towel. Gram Panchayat. Okay, here I would like to ask you last question regarding this narration. Why do you think Gopana started going towards Gram Panchayat?
Water not.
No. Do you think does Gram Panchayat have water? No. He wanted to discuss the problem with the Sarpanch. Understood?
Home not there. Tree is not there.
Yes. For the reason he started going towards the Gram Panchayat. In our next class, I'll let you know the reading section. Okay, children? Until then, just keep practicing all these words and copy it out in your notebooks. You are happy with my class? Have a good day.